Guns and drones don't go together because you don't have any buttons on an FPV controller to shoot. So we had to get creative and come up with lots of ways to automatically shoot in our game, Nexus FPV. We built an intelligence system to use the cursor over enemies, to allow lock-on and make different versions for different weapons. Now the hard work is done, and everything is working great. All that's left to do is have a ton of fun ripping around levels and taking out everything that moves. The game is up on Steam now, ready to wishlist. And after a great first playtest, we're now putting the final touches on the demo, which will be out early June.